Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be talking about Roboform as well as giving you the best discount available to save you some money. Also, if you already know all about Roboform and want to get straight to the deal, you can go right to the link in the description, which will apply the exclusive discount code that you won't be able to find on Roboform's website. Alright, now let me tell you a bit about Roboform. It's a password manager service that's easy to use, budget-friendly, and offers efficient security features that helps you manage your passwords and keep them secure. Now, when it comes to their plans, Roboform offers 3 different plans to choose from: the free version, premium, and family. So for starters, if you have the free plan, it gives you the basic features such as monitoring for compromised passwords, 2FA access to Roboform, cloud backup, and using Roboform as a TOTP authenticator. You will also be able to access it on one device, and you will only have access to 24/7 email customer service. Moving on to the yearly premium plan, which is at around $2 a month, but if you click in the link in the description down below, you can get it for as low as $1.39 a month, which is roughly a 30% discount. It gives you all the features available in the free version, as well as a bunch of extra ones, such as access to an unlimited number of devices, local-only mode to store your data on your device instead of on Roboform servers, emergency access, securely share or send personal items, 2 shared folders, priority 24/7 email, as well as live chat and phone support at specific times. And lastly, you have the yearly family plan for around $4 a month, or at $2.78 a month if you already clicked on the discount link that I mentioned before. And basically, it's the same as the premium one, except for a couple of differences, such as having up to 5 premium accounts for you and your family, and having 2 shared folders for each account as well. And that's going to be all for today's video, ladies and gentlemen. Again, make sure to check the description down below where you'll find those links that I mentioned to all the discounts and deals, and I'll also leave a link to an in-depth review of Roboform if you want to learn more about them as well. And feel free to comment down below if you have any further questions, and I'll do my best to try and answer them as soon as humanly possible. And as always, thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and until next time, make sure to take care.